How to spin the wheel on Temu. To spin the wheel on Temu, you typically need to participate in their promotional events or rewards program. Temu offers a spin the wheel feature to give users discount or other prizes, and here is how you can do it. First, ensure you have the Temu app installed on your device. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Now, open the app and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you may need to create one first. So as you can see, right after I open my account, I can see the spin the wheel promotion option available. Now all I have to do is tap on the spin option available there, and the wheel will spin and stop at a random reward such as discounts on your next purchase, free shipping or coupons or other special offers. And once the wheel stops, you will see your prize and follow the instructions to claim your prize, whether it is a discount code or a shipping offer. So the spin the wheel feature may be available periodically, and sometimes there are specific daily spins or special event spins. Be sure to check the app regularly for new opportunities. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.